just ripping. Welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. Today I am here in Pemberton with my friends at Pemberton Fish Finder, and I am all suited up, or at least I have my hat on, to go fly fishing for the very first time today. This is something that I honestly never thought I would do ever, so I'm really excited to give this a go. I bought this fishing hat this morning because I wanted to seem cool, so hopefully it makes me look like I know what I'm doing. New friend Brad here from Pemberton Fish Finder is going to show us how we get all set up. Evan is doing something called wet wading today. That means he's not wearing the fancy overall things that I'm gonna wear, but I want to wear them because I feel like I need the full fishing experience, and it doesn't feel like that without the overalls. What are they called?
Those are called waders. You're starting to look more like a fishing gal now.
Now this is how you become a YouTube fishing gal. Do I look the part? I'm so excited. Today we are doing entirely catch and release, so we're going to catch the fishies and let them be their free selves back in the river. Shh, nothing happened. I didn't break it already. Okay guys, we are officially en route out to our undisclosed river location. So secretive, I know.
There you go. Awesome. Oh.
Yeah, it's a good thing you're holding that.
I was hoping for a blooper there.
So what we're doing here today is roll cast. Roll cast. Once roll it up over the top, lay it in the water, and you're pretty well going to repeat that all day. Oh, I just missed one. She's a natural. Definitely a natural. Okay, so this is just kind of a practice hole.
Yeah.
Because just down around the corner is kind of into the good water. And we want to make sure that she can do the roll cast before we get there. Because we don't want to scare them all before we get a chance to catch them.
Making my family proud.
I'm going to be a provider later in life here.
A hunter and gatherer of views and clicks and subscribes.
I'm the hunter and gatherer of clickbait.
We've been alone for a while. Me and my heart were tired. As long as you're away from us, we're just living in the past. As long as you're away from us.
Alright, I have got to tell you, I have done a lot of tours in my day all over the world, and this is hands down one of my favorite experiences I've ever done, because a lot of the time when you do a tour or an experience, whatever, you sort of get on a boat or get in a car and you go somewhere and you see something, which is incredible and wonderful, but I have to say there's something about doing an experience where you're actually involved, you're learning something, and you're doing an activity that, at least for me, is so much more engaging. Man, we're having a beautiful day. I'm so happy. This is one of the coolest things I've done in my entire life, for sure. You're a man of many talents.
Oh yeah, solid.
Solid. Almost made it. The sun is setting behind us, and we've actually relocated to another part of the river. Still no luck with the fish, but like, what an incredible day. I can't say enough good things about this. This makes me feel like I want to become a fisher or something. This is so fun. If you are ever in Whistler, highly recommend doing a fly fishing tour. This is just so Canadian and something totally different that is a really great way to spend a weekend or, you know, any beautiful sunny day here in BC. Guys, we got a little fishy!
Yeah, we got the beast of the river here.
The beast of the river!
Yeah, we gotta start somewhere. All we're doing is losing the big ones, and now we gotta show you that there's actually fish in this river.
Aww,
it might not be the biggest fish
really
ever,
thirsty.
but he's definitely thirsty. Off he goes.
Be free!
Be free. After a long weekend, fishing can be a little more difficult than it should be, but missed a bunch. We fed a few mosquitoes.
Yeah, we're feeding them right now.
Well, I look forward to fishing with you again this fall.
That was awesome. Next time we'll catch a big one.
Okay.
Bye. Perfect way to end off an amazing day fishing. That was so fun.
It was awesome. One of the best days of the summer.
Really?
For sure.
So we came to, what's this called? Mile 1?
Mile 1 Eatery.
Here in Pemberton. We have a beautiful view of Mount Currie, so we are going to enjoy our drinks, enjoy our food, and call it a night.
There we go.
Good morning from the next day here in Whistler. Right now I'm actually on my way to go check out a spot that I've never seen before, which is kind of crazy because it's one of the most like popular things to do here in Whistler, and that is the train wreck. Apparently it's just like a very quintessential Whistler thing to see that I've never seen before. So that's what we're going to be checking out. And it's a very busy spot. I actually had to park in the parking lot that's further up. There's 2 lots. The first one was already full, so I had to park a little bit further away. This has already been so incredible. The walk over to the train wreck, like I'm not even there yet, by the way, is stunning. There's this beautiful blue river that's just like roaring. I'm sure the background audio right now is not sounding great for you, but it's so beautiful. I can't believe I've never been here before, and I basically like grew up in Whistler. Like I don't know, man. I don't know how I missed this one, but let's keep walking. We have a little suspension bridge, and then we are going to be at the train wreck. That was so loud. Train wreck. We'll be at the train wreck. Say it like a normal human, Robyn.
I'm running your way, but you push me away, your lifeline.
The train wrecks at Whistler are actually a crazy cool experience. I didn't think, like, I thought this would be kind of neat to come check out because I was like, oh, it's something I haven't done yet. I should probably go do it. But it's way cooler than I expected. What's really crazy is actually right behind me, you can see the train tracks where this actual train just completely came off the rails. And I love how different artists have graffitied the old train wreck, and it's just like, it's kind of like an art exhibit. It's really cool. I'm really glad I came here. But anywho, let's get our butts over to one of my favorite places to get coffee in all of Whistler, and that is Creek Bread. They do pour-overs for every coffee, at least in the Function Junction location they do, and it's real good. So let's go hit that up. Okie dokie. So the lineup at Purebred was a little bit busier than I felt like waiting for, so we are gonna hit up Camp, which is another amazing spot for coffee here in Function Junction. Thank you. You're welcome. Yummy. One of the things that like I'm loving so much about this Whistler series, I hope you guys are enjoying this too, is just being able to show you like the diversity of activities here in Whistler. It's not just about skiing and downhill mountain biking, although those are amazing activities. There's about a million other things to do here, and I've been having so much fun sort of showing off the other side of Whistler to you. So I hope you've been enjoying it too, but I think I'm gonna end today's video here. Make sure you stay tuned for my next Whistler vlog. It's gonna be so epic. Just be ready for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.
Keep it out of the trip. Whoa, okay, so when you're...
Yeah, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Falling over. Ooh, this is like the closest my channel will ever get to an unboxing right here. I'm the Southern Little Fishing Gal. It is, oh, I just strapped my camera strap into my car. Hello.
Oh, something came tight there. You got a fish?
Oh, that one! What did I do? Oh my God, I got one!
No, you're on the bottom. Looks good though.
Oh,
It's stuck on the bottom.
Okay.